Hello Nottinghamshire Madness fans. Cool. Bright lights on the camera today, so you won't get to see me again. Conclusion of the coffee machines. We'll start with the Barista. That is the cleanest machine to use. Absolutely no mess, no spillages, no problems. These are the coffee pods. The waste coffee pods drop into the box here. As you saw, they go in there, close it down. That is the cleanest of them all. Oodles of choice of coffee pods in Tesco land. I mean, oodles of choice, loads of choice. Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Coffee pods go in here. Wait a second for the red light to turn green before you make the coffee. This is one of the coffee pods. A reasonable choice in Tesco land. I found this one, Americano Intenso Strength 9. That's a decent strong coffee. It's the messiest of the lot. If you don't take the coffee pod out, it tends to stick when you open it to put the next one in. I guess it's because they've got hot and they've got soft, pliable. When it's dried, when it's cooled down rather, it's tightening up around the coffee pod. It pokes a hole in there, pardon me, and it drips. So that's the dirtiest of the lot. Bosch Tassimo. Coffee pods go in here. There's a coffee pod. That is my favourite coffee. That would be absolutely my favourite machine because it runs at I believe it seems to run at a greater pressure than the others and produces a hotter drink. But Tesco land sell the machine and the selection of coffee is abysmal. So Tassimo, Bosch, Tesco land, get your act together. Supply it, because if I could go to Tesco land and buy my coffee easily with this, that would be my number one choice. It isn't, it can't be. There's even no water in the water tank because I've got no coffee other than 2 of those. Back to this one, Barista. That is outstanding. I think that came in with 102 coffee pods. Looking at my emails, well affordable. Oodles of choice. Twice the size of the Nescafe. I wouldn't say it was twice the machine. The Nescafe Dolce Gusto, I think that is going to be my most used coffee machine because of the simplicity. Because I've found a couple of coffees I like, and the Galaxy chocolate drink is to die for. I haven't tried anything other than Nespresso and the Barista. Whether that's going to be better with other drinks, I don't know. I can't really work out what Tesco land sell other than espresso for it. There's loads, like I said, there's too much choice. I shall take a photograph when I'm in Tesco land of of what choice of coffee there is, or some photographs, and I'll post the photos on the Facebook group Nottinghamshire Madness by Andrew Marshall. One of your subscribers emailed, told me another benefit of this, either use a clean coffee pod or use the device that comes with it for cleaning it. Use it for hot water for making drinks. They used it in a camper van. That makes perfect sense, that does. That will go camping with us. Like I say, the black Americano is lovely. The Nescafe Cafe au lait, people have said that's nice. Some like a little bit of sugar in it. The cappuccino and the mocha, I think I had, and I thought it was just a mug of milk. That's nothing about the machine though, that's about the brand of coffee and type of coffee I was putting in. But certainly Galaxy, the black coffee and the white coffee, perfectly acceptable, perfectly drinkable. So I guess convenience wise, everyday use, that's it for an espresso, without any shadow of a doubt. Amazing, fantastic. Let me know what you have, let me know what you drink. Such a shame that Tesco Land can't supply a coffee for this. Asda have a supply of coffee, but it's 1.25 miles to Tesco Land. It's 3 miles to Asda, and I travel by push bike generally. So I guess that wraps up. I'm just doing that because then I can see you. I guess that wraps up my coffee machine comparison. Let me know what you think, let me know what you have. I'm really interested to know. Just remember, these cost me next to nothing because I bought the coffee. I'll drink the coffee anyway, so I'm going to buy the coffee anyway. So this was, that was 27 quid on Amazon with no drinks. Drinks are well priced in Tesco Land, about 4 quid a box. Sainsbury's have the Galaxy, a lot cheaper than Tesco Land. Herbs of choice. Machine cost next to nothing, absolutely next to nothing, less than a tenner. But I bought 102 pods of coffee. But they'll get drunk. That was bought on a deal with a deal of subscription to coffee. And that does come through on a subscription. But it would be nice to put it in a basket in Tesco Land. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up or a like. Please subscribe. Please send me a message. And I'll catch you on the next one.